Hey world, it's Tonight here, and I'm here today to show you guys how to make this or this. Here's 5 steps on how to create motivational videos right here on your phone. 5 easy steps, let's get it. First step, go onto Instagram, find a trending sound, motivational sound that you want to use. Then my tip for this, if you find a sound and it has an arrow going up, that means the sound is trending. And I would definitely recommend if the sound has that, the arrow thing going up and it only has about 200 or 300 reels, post it ASAP. Because when it's that number from, I will say 100 to 300, even 400 you could do, there's still a chance for your reel to hit certain audience or get a higher engagement number, Step number 2, save the sound and screen record it. The reason why you're saving the sound is so, when you have to go back into Instagram and, look for the sound unless you save the video, but it's easier to save the sound and then screen record it. Number 3, you import it into CapCut, then you detach the audio, and then click text and then auto captions. Then step 4, go to pexels.com and then you find the video you want to use, a vertical video for Instagram and TikTok, Find that video, import it into CapCut. Then step 5, edit your text as you like and then post it on Instagram with your caption and hashtags. Make sure you have the right timing. What I mean by that is make sure the audio matches up when the text appears. Don't have it, the text appears, then the audio speaks, or the audio's there and then the text is delayed, You can have a slight delay, but not too much. So, I know you guys are probably wondering, where your proof at? Where is your evidence, sis? I got you, don't worry, I got you. So we got boom, then we got boom, then we got boom. But I'm not showing this to brag. I'm showing you that this is possible for you to get. It is possible for you. If you use this strategy, it's gonna work. I promise you it's gonna work. You can easily grow your following reels too as well. It's just how you do it and what content you post. Yes, you have to post constantly, consistency is key, but you also have to be dedicated. You can't just post to post. If you want to start your content journey, start it now. Don't wait till it's too late. Don't wait next year. Don't wait 2 years later.
Eternity later.
But yeah, anyways. So now you know how to create a motivational video on your phone. 5 easy steps. Post your content. Do what you gotta do. Please and thank you. Be sure to check out my first video to get to know more about me. It's a little Q&A video. It's kind of long, but I promise you it's worth it. So stick along with the ride. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. I love you guys. Stay safe. Keep manifesting. Consistency is key, not perfection. Get to it.